Falling in love with your investment starts with knowing it's in the right hands. Owning rental properties should be rewarding, not a constant source of stress. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we take care of the details so you don't have to. From tenant placement to routine maintenance, from financial reporting to legal compliance, we handle it all. Our goal is simple: protect your investment, maximize its value, and ensure steady, stress-free cash flow. When you know your property is being cared for the right way, you can finally enjoy the benefits of real estate without the headaches. The key to a successful rental property is great tenants. Bad tenants cost money. Late rent, property damage, constant complaints, these things eat into your profits and create unnecessary stress. We take screening seriously. Every applicant goes through background checks, employment verification, and rental history reviews. We look for responsible tenants who pay on time, respect the property, and stay long-term. Fewer turnovers mean lower vacancy costs and better cash flow. A well-managed property attracts tenants who care. And when tenants care, they treat the home like their own. That's how you create stability and long-term value. A well-maintained property is a profitable property. Deferred maintenance leads to bigger, more expensive problems down the road.
We don't wait for something to break, we stay ahead of it.
Regular inspections catch small issues before they become major repairs. If there's a leaky pipe, we fix it before it causes water damage. If the HVAC system needs servicing, we handle it before extreme weather makes it an emergency. Staying on top of maintenance protects your investment, keeps your tenants happy, and prevents costly surprises. Good property management isn't just about fixing things, it's about communication. We believe in full transparency, so you always know what's happening with your property. You get detailed financial reports showing income, expenses, and maintenance costs. There are no hidden fees, no unexpected charges, just clear, accurate information so you can make informed decisions. You should never have to wonder where your money is going or whether your property is being handled properly. With Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, you always know exactly what's going on. Keeping a rental property legally compliant can be overwhelming. Fair housing laws, lease agreements, local ordinances. One mistake can lead to fines or legal trouble. We stay ahead of every regulation, ensuring your property meets all legal requirements. From handling security deposits correctly to navigating lease terminations, we make sure everything is done by the book. You don't have to worry about missing a rule or getting caught up in legal red tape. We handle it all so you can focus on what matters, growing your investment. Vacancies are expensive. Every month your property sits empty, you lose money. We market properties aggressively to get them rented quickly. Professional photos, optimized listings, competitive pricing. We do what it takes to attract the best tenants fast. Because we know the Kansas City market, we price your rental right, ensuring it's competitive without leaving money on the table. A properly priced and well-maintained property rents faster, reducing downtime and maximizing your income. Scaling a rental portfolio is tough if you're buried in day-to-day management. Handling rent collection, coordinating repairs, responding to tenant concerns, it all takes time. That's where we come in. Whether you own one property or 20, we have the systems and expertise to keep everything running smoothly. Our goal is to free up your time so you can focus on expanding your investments without getting bogged down by the daily grind. We make it easy to scale without sacrificing quality management. We also understand that sometimes holding on to a property isn't the best move. Maybe the property needs too much work, or it no longer fits your investment strategy. If you're looking for a quick, hassle-free way to sell, we buy houses. No listings, no showings, no waiting, just a fair offer and a fast closing so you can move on to better opportunities. Whether you want to offload one property or liquidate part of your portfolio, we provide a simple solution that lets you exit on your terms. Partnering with Alpine Property Management. Kansas City means you don't have to manage alone. We take care of the hard parts so you can enjoy the rewards. No more worrying about late-night maintenance calls, chasing down rent payments, or dealing with problem tenants. We handle it all with a level of care and professionalism that keeps your investment protected and profitable. When you see your property running smoothly, generating steady income, and increasing in value, you'll remember why you got into real estate in the first place. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more real estate investing and property management insights. If you're ready to stop stressing about your rental property and start enjoying it, Reach out to Alpine Property Management, Kansas City today. Let us take care of the details so you can fall in love with your investment again.